Hello all tech enthusiasts, my name is Shubham Sharma and today I have come with one amazing free resource for learning programming language in a easiest and visualizing way. So without wasting much more time, let's go ahead and explore this resource. So first of all, you have to come to this platform named Codex. You have to simply go to any browser and search Codex. So as I have already installed this resource in my system, so it is coming directly over to this website particularly, but in your case you have to install it on your desktop so that you can use it simply. So here suppose you want to learn Python language. So in that case you have to select your programming language, and after that you have to select the concept you want to learn. Suppose you want to start from scratch, and simply you have to click on setting up function. So it will basically telling you how can you set the Python in your own local system. So it is also telling you the introduction of Python language and real world application of Python along with this. So you can simply learn theoretical concept along with practicing this concept in a practical way at the same time. So I found this resource really helpful and beneficial for all the beginners who are starting their journey in the field of programming world. So go ahead and explore this resource. There are only 4 programming languages as mentioned it as of now, but in future there will be chance to add more programming language in this. And here you can learn version control also. So this is the best platform to learn programming in a easy and visualizing way. So that's why I am sharing this resource with you all. If you find this resource really helpful and beneficial for you, then please do subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more such upcoming helpful tech content. Apart from this, if you want to make projects also in your journey, then you can make various projects based upon your interest area. Let's suppose you are learning Python, then you can go ahead with Python oriented projects. If you are learning JavaScript, then you can go ahead with Python. So this is the best platform which focus mainly on project based learning instead of theory based learning. So I found this resource really amazing and beneficial for all the beginners. So go ahead and explore this platform. I am sharing the link of this platform in my description section. So go ahead and practice on this platform, and please let me know in the comment section what is your thought with respect to this resource. And till then, keep exploring and keep learning new things. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.